What's going on, everyone? Welcome again to Knowledge Joe channel. For today's video, I am going to introduce to you on one of the techniques that I'm using a lot in trading called moving average trend trading. Believe me, this is one of the best experts out there are using in trading, especially when they are following the trend. So this moving average, I will call it moving average trend trading, and I will use exponential moving average trend trading to use that to create a support and resistance line so that we can check whether the trend is going up or whether the trend is going down, and then we can make profit from there. Before we go in deep into lessons, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons down below so that you don't miss any update video on the lessons. Anyway, without further ado, let's go and check on our lessons today. For today's video, we are going to learn is moving average trend trading, and the moving average that I'm going to use here, we call that exponential moving average. Yeah, it's going to call that exponential moving average. If you're wondering what is exponential moving average, so you can check out on Google. It's pretty simple, and this moving average I will use it number 9. The moving average right here, it's just like a very smooth line, so the longer period, the line will be like smoother. So I use this a lot in my trading, especially I'm trading on binary option trading. So if you use this in forex trading, or you will use this in the stock trading, so the time period you can set differently accordingly to the way and the style that you are trading. Especially I use the period number 9, and I traded on 1 minute charts. So it's pretty quick, because binary option you can just go quick and get out. If you lose, you lose it. If you win, you win it. It's only lose the money that you put in the trade, in the deal. It doesn't go all the way into your account, like the whole account is blow out. No, it's not like that. In binary option trading, it only lose, you only lose your money. You only lose your money in the deal that you are making. $2 deal, $10 deal, and you only lose that if you make wrong prediction. It's pretty straightforward. Binary option trading, it's just like a call option or a put option, or if you make the wrong prediction and you lose all the money, like $10 in the deal, and you lose that $10. And if you make the right predictions, so you will make profit. Like from $10 you invest, if you have like 87% from profit return, so you will get that money 80% in return. Okay, the moving average I'm going to talk here, it looks something like this. It's just like a curve here. Okay, maybe my curve here is not pretty smooth, and then this curve become support and resistance. It's going to be our resistance, right? Our support here. It's going to be our support, or it's going to be our resistance up there. It's pretty straightforward. If the price move above the moving average, if it move above the moving average and it cross the moving average up, so we call that it break resistance, or it cross down, it break the support, or either it come down and it's not break, and then it's moving up, and we call that support pushing out. When it's the support line, push it away from the line, from this moving average. When it push out from this moving average, and this is where we start to trade. You always trade close to, remember, you always go into like somewhere close to the line. You're not buying anyway too farther from the line, like too extended from the line. For example, it's coming right here, and then you just jump in right there, and we don't do that, because you know, moving too high or too extend from the line is just too dangerous to trade, especially when I trade on 1 minute. Giving up all of this point right here, we always trade point right here. If you know, if what, if the price crossing down, it means it breaks support. So when it breaks support, this is where we're going on sell, right? And if it break resistance, if the price going to break resistance high, this is we going on buy. Where we go on buy, okay? And if the sell is not break, let me change into color red here. If it go down but it's not break, we call that the support is push. So this position, this is called buy. And the same thing, if the price is come back up but it's not break, we call that the resistance push. So when resistance line pushing, and then we will doing on sell right here. That's pretty simple. I hope you get it. Anyway, let's dive deep into our platforms. Okay, so here we are in our platforms. This is the record that I trade for a couple days ago. Let's me play it. So remember that our lesson here that we just talking in early, that moving average, it's tell us about the trend and the moving of those trending, and we are trading accordingly to the trends. You know, we were just checking how those trends are moving, and then we will trading accordingly. So most of the times I will check on 1 minute charts to check those trend line, because I will trade only on 1 minute, and then I will check 5 minutes charts, so to help me on checking those trending in 5 minutes, so that I know that the directional you know, of the chart here, they are going in what directions, and then I will make decision to enter. You know, I will just mark my enter into the market. So anyway, because this video is the recorded video, so I can forward it to get it quickly. Just scream forward. I just like to show you. I just want to show you that how I am trading on this platform. So anyway, the platform that you are seeing here is called IQ Option platforms. So which, if you you know, if you want to try out, which is cost nothing. In the demo accounts, they give you like $10,000 to practice. So you can find the link down below if you want to try. So you see that I'm moving into a 5 minutes chart. So you can check here is the 5 minutes chart. I was just checking on this 5 minute direction, and I know that it's going, you know, an up direction, because the 5 minutes candle is showing on the rising, and then the 1 minute will also showing on the rising about 4 minutes already, and now it's crossing our trend line, our what we call our moving average. It is a exponential moving average. The period is 9, so now it's moving now. So I can guess that this candle is rising. You see that it is rising, yeah. But I don't enter this one here, because it's moving further, like too extended from the moving average. So it is really possible that it's going to reverse back. So that's why I don't enter this one, because I am not sure about this one. Okay, anyway, we will go through. Okay. I don't want this video to get so long on the video. I'm just screaming on the one that I trading, and then I will explain why I am trading. So like you can see here, those are the moving average that I I'm going through here, so I see some rejection from here, like this one. It's got like some rejection on the 5-minute chart, and then I move back pretty quick to 1 minute, and I see that the moving average after this is crossing above, and then it's falling back. So this is an opportunity that I found right here. So let's see. You see that? You see that the moving average right now, the candle, the red candle, it's kind of going through. It's going through the line. So it's mean it break the support line. Like I told you, it's break the support line. This is an opportunity to go for this next one, for this candle, for the next candle. Yep. I enter the price, but actually I enter a little bit late on this point. But anyway, you can see that once the price moving down back and break the moving average, so it means that it break the support line. So it is possible, like it is a huge possibility here that it's going to move downward after it break its support lines. So this is all this means. So for those of you who are trading on support or resistance, I think you know what I mean that. So when it's break the support line, so there's a possibility of moving down in that direction. Okay, so I make this one right. It's the right prediction. It's just like following the lesson that we just learned here. Let me pause this one and let me screenshot and have a little draw here. The white line here is the moving average, EMA 9. It's an EMA 9, so you can set up it in the charts down below here, so you can set that up. And this directional here, it's it's functioning as support and resistance. So now it's broke the support line, and then it's possible to moving downward in this downtrends. This is, we call that moving average trend tradings. We following the trend, we're not going against the trends. So if you're going against the trend like this one, it is really possible that you making wrong prediction right here. You see that when we are going in an up direction, you can see that the green here just crossing, but it is not possible to moving up. But maybe it's possible right here, maybe it's possible right here, maybe it's not right here, but we are not sure. But this is, it's just like you can't make this around 80%, 90% of this you can make it right. 80%, let me say 80%. But the more downtrend you're going in the directional of the trend, I think this is the best way to trade on moving average trend trading. So we follow that. Okay, so let's go into the next trade, to the next deal. So I will screen this video, so I don't want to go too long for that, because I already recorded. It's a 1 minute trading, IQ option brokers. So I saw that just break the moving average uptrends. I about to go there, but I am not. That is not a good go if I go, because it is going against the trend. What I do is going accordingly to the trend. This is an uptrend. Really possible that when this is break, and then I will go on high. Yeah. So this is another deal that I go. So in binary option trading, it's pretty straightforward. like I say in an early in a lesson, if you lose the $25 on this deal and you just lose that $25 on your deal, it's not going to, like, if your prediction is going in the wrong direction, and it's not gonna blow up your account. So your account is still there, so the money that you lose is the money that you deal, like you make the deal, and that's it. So you put $25, and if you make wrong prediction and you lose that $25, and if you make right prediction, so here the profit you see here is 98 profit in return. So it means if you make the right prediction, like I do right here, we are trading according to the moving average. So you make right prediction and then you make money right here, 98%. So here again is another one. This is an uptrend. You can see it pretty clearly. It's falling around a couple minutes right here, around 10 minutes, and then the trend starting to move back. So what I do here is I'm waiting for this to break our resistance. So the moving average here will have the duty here as the resistance. So when it break our resistance line, we call this moving average as a resistance line, and then we will predict that the next candle or the next couple candle will find its way to go up higher. That's the reason I'm going here. So we will continue to go more. So here the same. So this one also the same things. Let me show you a little. The reason I'm going here, actually this is like a downtrend, pretty downtrend looking, so a slopey downtrend. But the reason I'm going here, let me screenshot this one. The reason I'm trading here and I make right predictions because look at this graph right here. It is a falling graph. It's falling. It's just continuously falling, and then the trends start to trying its ways to reverse up back high. And the reason I'm going here because there are doji happening, a little right here, the doji, and then there's the pretty strong buy, shooting up, pretty strong buy going over there, and then there are small small volume here on the buy, but anyway it's still in the power of buy, and then it coming across here the line, the moving average line, and then so mostly when it break the moving average line, it means it break our support line, and then possibly it's not 100%, but so I say it is 80-90%. It will continue in the next candle or the next couple of candle. It will find its way to go up higher, just like another one, just like this one. You see that it's finding its way to go up higher. So trading on moving average is pretty useful on this 1 minute trading, or even you are trading on stock option, or you are trading on forex. It's still useful. In those kinds of trading. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope you just try it on your platforms, no matter what platform you are using a forex platform, or using day trading. If you are a day trader and you are trading on any kinds of platform that you are using, try this technique, and I want to find out if this technique is work for you, or if it is not working for you. So please comment down below. If you liked my video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. That would be so helpful, and thank you. Anyway, for this video, I will just wrap up for now. Thanks for watching anyway. We'll see you in the next episodes. Bye bye.